Let's dive into Division 54 Super Math Stars. Welcome back to Let's Stud. If you're having fun learning math, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We're going to use the first digit of 54, which is 5. How many tums does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 tums. Let's check. 2 tums 2 is 4. Now we subtract 4 from 5, which leaves us with 1. Great job, we've got this. Now let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Tim, for the next step, we have a remainder of 1 and the next digit is 4. Let's bring down the 4 next to the 1 to make 14. How many tums does 2 get into 14? It's 7 tums. Let's see. 7 tums 2 is 14. Subtract 14 from 14 and we get 0. Perfect. You're doing amazing. Almost there. Since there are no more divots, we're all done. The answer is 27. So 54 divided by 2 equals 27.
Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 54 by 2. Remember, every step in long division is like a puzzle piece, and you put them together to find the answer. Keep practicing, and you'll be a mathematician in no time. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep that curiosity shunning and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.